Today's linking sound rule is this. When these consonants meet with the next first consonant real, you have to pronounce it as if it is the bottom consonant nian. Let's check it out with the words. These are the letters with the bottom consonant mium and iung. And these are the letters with the first consonant real. First, I read letter by letter. 담, 력, 침, 략, 강, 릉, 항, 로, 대, 통, 령. Next, the word pronunciation. 담력, 침략, 강릉, 항노, 대통령. Next, these are the letters with the bottom consonant 기역 and 피읍. And these are the letters with the first consonant 리을. This case is a little bit different because when you change the first consonant sound 리을 to 니은 like this, you have to apply the another linking sound rule between the bottom consonant 기역 to the first consonant 니은 and the bottom consonant 피읍 to the first consonant 니은. Do you remember it? It softens the bottom consonant sound. Let's check it out. You will understand. 막론. You have to change the 리을 sound to the 니은 sound. 막논. Now you have to soften the bottom consonant sound. 망논. 백리. 백니. 백리. 협력. 리을 to 니은. 협력. And now you have to soften the bottom consonant sound. 협력. 십리. 십니. 심리. Today's practice. 담력, 침략, 강릉, 항노, 대통령. 막론, 백리, 협력, 심리. Thank you.